Tugitigana na ntito inu ntito nishingine ati Minister wa Kithomo Ntumiiri Ya Machogu naruguritie mutaratara wa aciari kumenya kuria ciana ciao ciititwe kuthomera form 1 kuruki na ugite aciari riu makaracimika kugura uniform cingi cia ciana cia junior secondary maria makwirigirwa kuthongira cukuru mweri uyu tariki 30 kuruki na ugite ciana cionthe ni mbuyukie kuthongira form 1 akiuragia aciari kubira ciana ciao cukuru iria iri bakubi kana iria itekorebua nombi ni kenda ciana cionthe ithoma maria makwenda kuona cukuru iria ciana ciao ikathie makareitha gukurukira mutambo wa NEMIS akiwaga ciana cia grade 6 mpumi ciao ikethirwa irikire mutandao wa NEC kuma muthenya wa ruyu. Boniface Mwongera ena inu
mpumi shekigiro kegirinditha nzo kyo kepsia ikethirwa shirekerwa ntukwerojo arimu amonene skuru bakethro bemenya mpumi gukurukira mitambo kana poto enyombe NEC
sio NEC
akeria kagita gwita nteto ministro mathomo ja nthiguru ne Kenya boneze Machogu na ugiterito BONTHE baraba iditekiro ke kepsia bakethro bagitakire grade ya mugwanja ende ntu bakomenya bakethro bekara okiri skuru ya barare sheri nabo tibarabara na skuru cia boarding ibori to bakare kinyandurure moja school fees nonto thirikare Kenya neronga merete na kurira murito wonde shiringi ngiri 15 kire skuru cia primary skuru cia junior secondary schools na kire nandi bakethro beto njara cia mebuko na kwethro berera ni uniform INJERU.
A decision has been made that parents and the boards of management agree on the new uniforms for junior secondary school runners. So we are also saying that parents would have to bear the responsibility of buying uniforms for their children.
BOM cha shukuru nasho shikethro shikara nthegoro shethro shirikania aritoba junior secondary schools baketho ba uniform chikari ate ontobura nande bena kanya kuma ntukwenarwa mwanga tariki 30 cia mweri otore kwithro berikania mbere ritoba ba grade ya mugwanja Pedro bechokera skuru.
Whatever it means, we will not expect additional requirements. We will not expect other levies imposed on the parents because we are aware and cognizant of the fact the economic times we are in. So anybody doing that, and the county directors of education, all of us are monitoring each and every school.
Sukuru nkoro kiangirie 13 cia primary ja nthigurune kulingana na Minister Machogu shina kathari gawiti na mbere mathomo ja ngiri ndie mugwanja na kirite na kathari arito bakethro bagita sukuru racio bakwereria.
Yes, there are some which have laboratories, and as I said, we are giving capitation of 15,000 per student, meaning there are schools which are going to get 10 million, there are schools which are going to get 15 million, and there are schools which are actually going to get even 20 million. Our members of parliament, the CDM money they get, we have requested that they prioritize laboratories this particular year above every other thing.
Mwalimu momwe nande kithirikare kire skuru ngiri 30 cia primary ja nthigurune gwita kuritana skuru cia junior secondary schools. Kilasi kimona ikyo gitibatere kwithirwa kinyira rito 45 arako na mathomo 15 kana subject 14 iri kethirwa shiritano kiri grade ya mugwanja na no mwanka mwalimu rozi mathomo ya diploma na nya degree haritanira shibibi.
For example, we vet that teacher who has higher qualifications and has all the prerequisites to teach in a secondary school. What will happen is this teacher then will not teach in primary school, and therefore it means if the average load for secondary school, since we have not changed that as now is 27 lessons, that teacher who has been picked then will just teach the 27 lessons in the secondary school and will not now be expected to go back and teach in primary schools.
Yes. Kithia kio kingi nakyo ana milioni mogaturumu mwejere para baitekiro kebina na mwaka muthiru ibe kiri skuru cia secondary ira bageta kulingana na Ntumiiri Ya Minister Machogu ana nkoro kenusu para ngiri 600 na ejere 324 ibe kiri skuru cia day schools.
As you are aware, we have 72% of our schools are day schools. It's only 28% that are boarding schools. I therefore encourage all boarding schools to introduce day wings to enhance access and cut down the cost of education.
Bonge nabo igotomeretwe form 1 both bakambira kuripoti skuru kuma tariki 6 mweri jo twetete mwanga tariki 13 oshe mweri jo.
Parents can also be able to get the schools that their children have been taken to by indicating their country's index number 22263.
Kwa bime bingi biri twetete methombonera matombigirwa nyongo ginene kiri mubango jo junior secondary schools jo Kiamberia thirikare Kenya nio ishititie tuchokana nyuma na kwerone nande ashali barabara na barabara tekrasi kemo gwanja kana grade 7 kire skuru cha junior secondary schools bakedro be uniform injero nande ntumwakira nende baskuru ibole to bakedro be boge yeba bakanye kedomba kwedro be school uniform iji inyage ntokenge baba kinyire ko uniform na bakwenda iba ba roza rogota gochwa uniform iji nanda shina mauli jande goro nke report na Ntoshero TV kumaja KICD kengi nangi na kitoke Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mongera.